lot of people go to see a financial planner and one of the things that people have said to me in the past, how do I know that it's been a really good conversation with a planner? I always think that the best conversation, if you're seeing a financial planner with your partner, is the conversation you have in the car on the way home. Because you've just spent an hour or two of your time divulging a lot of information. A lot of it's fairly personal, because if it's in insurances, they're going to ask you just as many questions as your GP. And then they're also going to ask you about your hopes and your dreams. And you're going to be in a situation where, are they the same as my partners? And that's always an interesting conversation. And then at the end of that, they're going to start saying, well, we're going to put a plan together and help you get there. When you're driving home, that's then a really interesting conversation. Is there an argument in the car? Or why did you say this? But the really good thing is if you're driving home and you have that level of comfort that you've been through a really good experience, you're both on the same page and you know where you're going, then I think that's a really good conversation to have, and that is an indication of, was that worthwhile? And am I getting value for what I'm paying for? So think about, once you're finished, what's the conversation like in the car on the way home? If you're not having that conversation, then there's probably a problem with the conversation you had back in the meeting room.